Hello, my name is Ryder, a consultant at Collectiv. Today I'll show you how to make a slicer panel using grouping, actions, and bookmark. Let's get started. First, let's set up an area for your panel. Insert a shape, rectangle, then insert a button. Let's use the right arrow. Then make sure that both of your slicers are in this general area. Now go to View, Selection. These four elements should be on the top of the page. Make sure that it is like on the top of this list. Let's say if you want to slide this card up here, that means if these two elements are on top of each other, the card will show and the shape will be underneath it. So let's say, now let's group these four together. Select these four, right click, group. And now they will all in this group one, but you can still choose individual elements like that. So now once you format the slicer to your liking, let's add a bookmark. So with every single visual showing, you add a bookmark. So this will have the slicer showing up on the top. So let's say this is going to be show panel. Click this eye icon to hide the group. From there, click add. It would be your hide panel bookmark. So now from here, once you're switching between those two views, the panel will show. What we want to do next is go to the button, add an action. This will be a bookmark type. Then choose hide panel, and then you can insert any tooltip here that you would like. On desktop, control click. Add a shape or a button or an image you like for the user to see. From there, select that. Again, add an action, which is a bookmark, to show the panel. And voila, you have a slicer panel. Thank you for watching. Follow Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube for more Power BI tips. See you next time.